Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics and next question of miscellaneous exercise 7. Okay. Question number first. Let y is equal to sine inverse of x root x. Okay. Find the value of dy by dx. Solution. Differentiate with respect to x. We get implies dy by dx is equal to two types. First differentiate of sine inverse and second differentiate of x root x. Okay. dy dx over sine inverse x over root x into dy dx over x root x implies dy by dx is equal to dy dx over x to power 1 into x to power 1 by 2. It means sine inverse x to power 3 by 2 into dy dx over x to power 3 by 2. Okay, base same, power different. It means power add x to power 1 into x to power half. X to power 1 plus half is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Same. Okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to dy dx over sine inverse over x. Let x is equal to x to power 3 by 2. It means dy dx over sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. It means x to power 3 by 2 power of 2. Okay, into dy dx over x to power 3 by 2. Apply the formula x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1. It means nx into n minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to 2 cancel out. It means 1 by 1 minus x to power 3 into 3 by 2 into x to power 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 into root x by root 1 minus x. Okay, that is the answer. Second question number 2. Let y is equal to cos inverse x by 2 by root 2x plus 7. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Apply the formula because differentiate with respect to x. We get apply the formula because dy dx over u upon v, numerator by denominator, is equal to v into du upon dx minus u into dv upon dx by v square. Okay, according to equation dy by dx is equal to u is equal to u equal to cos inverse x by 2 and v equal to root 2x plus 7. Root 2x plus 7 same to same into dy dx over first differentiate cos inverse x into second differentiate x by 2. Cos inverse x by 2, two types differentiate. First differentiate of cos inverse into second differentiate of x by 2. Similarly, first differentiate of root and second differentiate of 2x plus 7. Okay, minus u same to same cos inverse x by 2 same to same dy dx over 2x plus 7 power of 1 by 2 into dy dx over 2x plus 7 by root 2x plus 7 power of 2. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 7 power of 1 by 2 same to same into dy dx over cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. X is equal to x by 2, it means x square by 4 into dy dx over x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 same to same into dy dx over 2x plus 7 power of 1 by 2. It means dy dx over root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x, x is equal to 2x plus 7 into dy dx over 2x plus 7. dy dx over 2x is equal to 2 plus 7 0. 2 plus 0 it means 2. 2 cancel out by root 2x plus 7 power of 2, it means square and root cancel out 2x plus 7. Okay, for LCM is equal to minus common for LCM 2x plus 7 power of 1 by 2 into 1 upon 4 minus x square root into 2 by 2 minus 1 minus x square by 4, 4 LCM. Okay, 4 minus x square, 4 root 4 is equal to 2, 2 by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 into 1 upon 2x plus 7 power of 1 by 2 upon 2x plus 7 plus minus common minus plus. Okay, is equal to LCM 4 minus x square power of 1 by 2 into root 2x plus 7 LCM. Okay, 4 minus x square root cancel out, it means 2x plus 7 into 2x plus 7 root cancel out, it means 2x plus 7 into 2 cancel out. Okay, plus cos inverse x by 2 into 2x plus 7 cancel out root 4 minus x square. Okay, minus by 2x plus 7 by 1. Okay, implies minus 2x plus 7 plus root 4 minus x square into cos inverse x by 2 by 2x plus 7 power half power 1, it means 2x plus 7 power of 3 by 2 into 4 minus x square power of 1 by 2. Okay, that is answer, dy by dx. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Let y is equal to cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x by root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. Okay, apply the formula because sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Apply the formula sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Similarly, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1. X by 2 half angle. Okay, implies y is equal to cot inverse root 1 is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus root cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, upon 1 plus sin x. Similarly, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus root cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, implies y is equal to cot inverse a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, it means a plus b power of 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin square cos x by 2 sin x by 2 power of 2 of root. Apply the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, plus similarly a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b power of 2. It means cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 power of 2 upon similarly a square plus b square plus 2a into b cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 of whole square of power of 1 by 2 minus root cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 power of 2. Square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel. Okay, similarly y is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, okay, upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, minus minus plus, okay. Sin x by 2 cancel, cos x by 2 cancel, implies y is equal to cot inverse cos x by 2 2 cos x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2 cancel out, implies y is equal to cot inverse over cot x by 2, implies y is equal to x by 2, because cot inverse over cot theta is equal to theta, okay. Apply the formula cot inverse over cot theta is equal to theta, so cot inverse over cot x by 2 is equal to x by 2, okay. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy dx over x by 2, implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2, okay, that is the answer. Next question, question number 5. Let y is equal to log x upon a to power x, okay. Apply the formula log, implies y is equal to log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n, because log m by n is equal to log m minus log n, and second formula log m to power n is equal to n log m, okay. Again formula of log m to power n, implies y is equal to log x same to same minus x into log, okay. Given that y is equal to log x upon a to power x, apply the formula log m by n is equal to log x minus log a to power x, and again apply the formula log m to power n is equal to n log n, it means x into log a, okay. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to dy dx over log x minus log a constant into dy dx over x, implies dy by dx is equal to dy dx over log x, okay. Standard formula dy dx over log x is equal to 1 upon x minus log a constant, okay. It means dy dx over x is equal to 1. Apply the formula x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1, okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by x minus log a, that is the answer, Okay, and we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.